Hello, friends. Once again, welcome to my channel English Communication with Sahil. As in previous video, I told you that I'm gonna start the grammar series in which I have decided to start with the tenses. So in today's video, I'm just gonna explain you about the simple tense or present tense. So just have a look into this. So first of all, as you can see, present simple tense, or we can call it as simple present tense. In Hindi we called it as sadha vartaman kal. So example for this, before explaining the example of this tense, I just wanted to tell you that the proper sentence format or ideal sentence format, or the sentences get formed with the help of these three things like subject plus verb plus object. This is the ideal sentence format. It will vary according to the tense format or different types of tenses. So but this is the ideal format you should remember. Then let me just explain you the example of these particular tense, present simple tense. So as you can see, as I've told you that this is the ideal format or sentence format. So here the example is she writes a letter. She writes a letter. This is the example of present simple tense or simple present tense. वह एक पत्र लिखती है. As this is the present tense, so this action is happening, or this action is taking place in present tense. So that is how here subject is she, then verb is write, and object is a letter. So she is going to perform the action, then write is something, the action which we are going to perform on the later, then the later is an object on which the action is gonna take place. So this is how the simple present tense look likes, and you should remember that here why we have used this tense as a, why we have taken this format of verb, like why we have not taken the write, she write a letter. No, this is not correct, because when we are using pronouns like he, she, then we have to use s, means verb plus s is very very important. Without this the sentence is not gonna be in the correct format. So this is very important, that when you are using he, she, then you have to use the s or es. Okay, s or es is very very important here. Thank you so much.